Hello kids, good morning. Today's date is 26 November 2020 on Thursday. How's the weather outside? Today's weather is cold and which season is running now? Winter season. So my dear junior KG students, today I teach you exercise of letter U, V, W, X, Y and Z. This exercise write in book number 7. This exercise write in book number 7. So my students, today our first exercise is look at the letter and circle the correct picture. So here write some letter and here drawn some picture. Look at the letter and find the correct picture. So students, which letter is this? Letter Y. Letter Y. Sound of Y. Y. So here find the picture related by letter Y. This picture? No. This? No. This? Yes. This is yo-yo. Yo-yo start the letter Y. So, circle the picture yo-yo. Now next, which letter is this? Letter Z. This is letter Z. So, here find the picture. Start the letter Z. This picture start the letter Z? No. This? No. This is sunflower. Sunflower start the letter S. So where is related by letter Z picture? This? Yes. This is zigzag. Zigzag start the letter Z. Sound of Z. 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 Zigzag. Now next letter is letter W. Sound of W. V. V. So here find the correct picture. This picture start the letter W? No. This picture start the letter W? No. This picture start the letter W? Yes, this is watch. Watch start the letter W. Watch. So circle the picture. Watch. W for watch. Now next letter is letter V. This is letter V. So find the correct picture. This is parrot. Parrot start the letter V? No. This is moon. Moon start the letter V? No. This van. Van start the letter V. Sound of V? Van. So circle the picture. Van. So students, first exercise is complete. Our next exercise is circle the picture whose name ends with sound of X. कौन से पिक्चर में लास्ट में क्ष साउंड आता है उस पे हमें सर्कल करना है. ओके. दिस इज एप्पल. दिस इज टेबल. दिस इज cat and this is box. Last में straw sound है box. So circle the picture box. End में जो sound आता है क्ष का उस पिक्चर पे हमें सर्कल करना है. Okay? So students, our next exercise is look at the picture and circle the first letter. Here drawn picture and here write some letter. So identify the picture and find the correct letter. Okay. Let's start. First picture is zip. This is zip. Zip start the letter Z. Z, Z, Z. So here find the letter Z. This is letter Z. No. This is letter Z. No. This is letter Z. Yes, this is letter Z. Z for zip. Z, Z, zip. So circle the letter Z. Now next picture is yak. Which picture? Yak. Yak start with letter Y. Y for yak. Yak. So here find the letter Y. This is letter Y. No. This is letter Y. No. This is letter Y. Yes. So circle the letter Y. Y for yak. Yak. Now next picture is umbrella. This is umbrella. Umbrella start the letter U. Umbrella start the letter U. U for umbrella. Umbrella. So here find the letter U. This is letter U. No. This is letter U. No. So where is letter U? Here. This is letter U. U for umbrella. Umbrella. Now next picture is wall. This is wall. W for wall. Wall. So here find the letter W. This is W. No. This is W. No. This is W. Yes. W for wall. Wall. Now next picture is vase. This is vase. So here find the letter V. This is V. No. This is letter V. No. This is letter V. No. This is letter V. Yes. This is letter V. Vase. Okay. So student, this exercise is complete. Our next exercise is circle the correct beginning letter for each picture. Same to same exercise. Look at the picture carefully and circle the correct picture. Okay students, let's start. First picture is umbrella. U for umbrella. So here find the letter U. This is letter U. Tell me. No. This is letter U. Yes, this is letter U. So circle the letter U. U for umbrella. Our next picture is vulture. This is vulture. V for vulture. So here find the letter V. This is letter V. No. This. No. This. Yes. This is letter V. So circle the letter V. V for vulture. Now next picture is, which picture is this? Tell me students. Yes, this is watermelon. Watermelon start the letter W. Watermelon. So here find the letter W. This is letter W. No. This is letter W. Yes, this is letter W. So circle the letter W. W for watermelon. Now next picture is zebra. This is zebra. Zebra start the letter Z. Zebra start the letter Z. here find the letter Z. This is letter Z. No. This is letter Z. No. This is letter Z. Yes. So circle the letter Z. Z for zebra. Now next is, which picture is U for arm? U for arm. So here find the letter U. This is letter U. No. This is letter U. Yes. So circle the letter U. U for arm. Now next picture is violin. This is violin. V for violin. So this is letter V. No. This is letter V. Yes. So circle the letter V. V for violin. Now next is, which picture is this? Van. Which picture? Van. Van start the letter V. This is letter V. No. This is letter V. Yes. So circle the letter V. V for van. Now next picture is watch. Which picture? Watch. W for watch. So here find the letter W. This is letter W. No. This is letter W. Yes, this is letter W. So circle the letter W. W for watch. Our next picture is yak. Which picture is this? Yak. Yak start the letter Y. Yak start the letter Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. So here find the letter Y. This is letter Y. No. This is letter Y. No. This is letter Y. Yes. So circle the letter Y. Y for yak. So students, this exercise is complete. Our next exercise is, say the name of each picture. Put a circle, cross. Put a cross on the picture that does not belong with the letter given in the box. So here write the letter and here drawn two pictures in one box. So find the correct picture. A for apple. This picture is wrong. This picture not belong to letter A. So here cross. Next, which letter is this? B. So B for balloon. This picture is car. This picture not belong to letter B. So cross the picture car. Our next is letter C. This is C for cap. And this picture is arrow. This picture is arrow. Arrow not start the letter C. So cross here. Now next letter is letter D. This is letter D. This picture is bell. Bell not belong to letter D. This picture is duck. Duck start the letter D. So cross the picture bell. Now next letter is E. This picture is dog. Dog not start the letter E. Okay. This picture is engine. Engine start the letter E. This picture is not start the letter E. So cross the picture dog. Now next is letter F. F for fish. And this picture is ball. Ball not start the letter F. So cross the picture ball. Now next letter is G. G for gift, and this picture is corn. Corn not start the letter G. So cross the picture corn. Now next is letter H. H for house, and this picture is doll. Doll not start the letter H. So cross the picture doll. So student, this exercise is completed. So students, our next exercise is circle the letter with which the name of the picture beginning. Look at the picture and circle the correct letter. Which picture is this? Jug. Which picture is this? Jug. Jug start the letter Z. So here, where is Z? Where is J? This is J. Yes, J for jug. Jug. So circle the letter J. Now next picture is kangaroo. Kangaroo start the letter K. This is letter K. No, this is letter K. Yes, K for kangaroo. Kangaroo. Now next picture is lion. This is lion. Lion start the letter L. So this is letter L. No, this is letter L. Yes, L for lion. So circle the letter L. Now next is, which picture is this? Igloo. Igloo start the letter I. Igloo start the letter I. I for igloo. This is letter I. No, this is letter I. Yes, so circle the letter I. Now next exercise is match the picture to the correct letter. Here draw some picture and here write letter. So look at the picture and match the correct letter. So students, which picture is this? This is parrot. Parrot start the letter P. So here find the letter P. Where is letter P? Here. So parrot match with the P. Now next picture is mango. Mango start the letter M. Mango start the letter M. So here, where is letter M? Here, this is letter M. M for mango. Now next picture is net. This is picture net. Net start the letter N. Net. So here find the letter N. This is N. No. This is N. Yes. So net match with the letter N. Now next picture is orange. This is orange. Orange start the letter O. O for orange. So orange match with letter O. So students, our next exercise is circle the picture whose name beginning with the letter given each set. Here one box draw in some picture and here write letter. So identify the letter and correct picture circle. Okay, this letter is Q. Q for quit. So circle the picture. Next, Q for question mark. So circle the question mark. Q for quill. So circle the picture. This picture, snake. Snake not start the letter Q. Our next box, this is letter R. So here find the start the letter R picture. This is rainbow. Rainbow start the letter R. So circle the rainbow. This is ball. Ball not start the letter R. So here no circle. Now next is rabbit. Rabbit start the letter R. So circle the picture rabbit. Our next is Robert. Robert start the letter R. So circle the Robert. Now next, this is letter S. So find the correct picture. This picture is sun. Sun start the letter S. So circle the picture sun. Now next is snowman. Snowman start the letter S. So circle the snowman. Now next is vase. Vase not start the letter S. So not circle here. Now next is socks. Socks start the letter S. So circle the picture socks. Now next and last box is letter T. So here find the related by letter T picture. This is tub. Tub start the letter T. So circle the picture tub. Now next is parrot. Parrot start the letter P. Not start the letter T. So here not circle. This picture is tomato. Tomato start the letter T. So circle the tomato. Now next is tank. Tank start the letter T. So circle the tank. So my dear students, today I teach you exercise of letter A to Z, book number 7, page number 17, 18, 19, 22, 23 and 24, and also write in English 4-line notebook. Thank you.